Reset on McLaren cars is essential when the car won't start after replacing or reprogramming modules like the ECU, BCM, SBC, PCCU, or TCU. It's also needed after failed ECU flashes, configuration changes, or long battery disconnections. When modules lose sync and the start-stop button just blinks, a quick reset restores full communication and allows the McLaren to start again. Step by step. We start by connecting the Diagcode McLaren diagnostic tool to the vehicle and launching the program. First, we open the ECU module and perform identification to confirm communication. Then we read the fault codes. Several DTCS appear, all related to the Immobilizer system. Clearing them doesn't help, which means the Immobilizer is out of sync and a full reset is required. Next, we connect to the Security Body Controller, or SBC. We identify the module and read the DTCS again. Same Immobilizer errors appear. Clearing them has no effect, so we move to guided functions and start the unpair Immobilizer procedure. The tool processes the operation for several minutes until it reports operation successful. We then wait a short time for the module to stabilize before continuing. After that, we connect to the powertrain and chassis control unit, the PCCU. Once again, we identify the module, read the codes, and see Immobilizer faults. We repeat the same unpair Immobilizer function here. When it finishes successfully, we go to next step, performing a VIN write. Wait 30 seconds. Now we return to the ECU. We read the DTCS again. Immobilizer faults are still visible. From the Guided Functions menu, we select Unpair Immobilizer one more time for the ECU and wait for the operation to complete successfully. Wait 30 seconds. When all three modules, SBC, PCCU, and ECU, have been unpaired, we go back to the SBC and run Align Vehicle Configuration to synchronize every module with the Immobilizer system. During this step, the ignition switches off and the dashboard goes dark. That's normal. When alignment is complete, we disconnect the external power supply and diagnostic tool, close and lock the car with the remote, and wait a few minutes for it to enter sleep mode. Then we unlock the car, press the start-stop button once, wait a few seconds, and finally start the engine. If all steps are done correctly, the Immobilizer is fully reset, all modules are synchronized, and the McLaren starts normally again, restored with the Diagcode McLaren diagnostic tool.